Hello viewers, welcome to our tutorial on step by step on how to install your global mapper. So having downloaded this, I have copied the zip file. So I'll click, I want to save it on this music. So I'll click a new folder. I'll create a new folder. Then I will name it global mapper. Remember, this tool is very crucial in geology, used for mapping. So I will paste it here. Then I will click on the folder. So the key here is 123. Please, if you need of this rough zip file, do wait to drop your comment on the comment section. So I will extract without confirmation. That's because I want all the extraction to be on that particular folder. Please do subscribe to this channel, like and share, and stay tuned for our other video. So here we start the step by step on how to installation. Hold on, allow it to pop out. Click on next. I will tick the accept the terms of the license agreement. Next. Next. Now click on next. Next. Installation process have started. Please do to subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned for our other video, our next video. Please, if you have any difficulties, drop your comments at the section. It may take some time. Just be a little more patient. Finish. Our next video will be on how to register your unregistered global mapper installation. Our next video on how to register your unregistered global mapper. So where we are to activate the license. Now you have successfully installed our global mapper. Please like and share and stay tuned to our other tutorial. Now you have successfully installed global mapper Globe Pro. I'll drop our next video on how to register your global mapper. So stay tuned. Thank you and share.